Hey friends, it's Gabby back in front of you. Today I will be doing a study with a dummy with you guys. Today I will be doing some notes for the AP exam that I'm taking in May 12th. I've mentioned it like a million times. This is the only AP class I'll ever take in my life. But yeah, today I'll just write notes and then we'll see how it goes. It is now 6:15. I've probably done my work for like an hour and a half at least. This is how my notes look like, and I've gone this far. Just one piece won't be enough, so I think I'm gonna use some more, but I think I'm gonna stop here for today because I have to watch some of the AP classroom videos that they were posting. I'm just trying to mentally prepare myself, so I'm gonna study every day, I guess, for at least like 30 minutes. But I think I'm gonna stop the video here today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like it was a really long session today. Usually I just take like 30 minutes to do these kinds of videos, but today was different because I was actually doing my work. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all keep growing. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
And you're gonna be happy. And you're gonna be happy. It's all around. It's all when you watch it.